Hello children, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some questions and answers of the reading passage. After this activity, you will be able to understand how to comprehend a story by answering all the questions. Before that, be ready with your worksheet number 16, a pencil and an eraser. Topic: Reading passage. Activity number 2. Let's move to activity number 2. Read and understand the story, The Mountain Gorillas. Children, repeat each sentence after me. Children are playing on the grass. Their mothers and fathers are eating food and watching them. Is this a family having a picnic in the park? No, it's a group of mountain gorillas in a forest in Africa. Gorillas live in groups in the forest. Mountain gorillas live in forests in the mountains. Mountain gorillas are the biggest kind of gorilla. They have long hair which keeps them warm in the cold mountains. Mountain gorillas eat plants and they eat them most of the day. They get up early in the morning and start eating. When it is very hot, the gorillas sleep a little and then they get up and eat till it gets dark. Some mountain gorillas eat 18 kilograms of plants in one day. The forests are the mountain gorillas' home and food. But people are cutting down the forests. There are only 500 mountain gorillas in the world. If we protect the forests, we protect the gorillas. Let's move to activity number 1. Choose the correct options. Gorillas live in dash. Option A, houses. Option B, river. Option C, group in the forest. And the correct answer is option C. Question number 2. Dash gorillas are biggest kind of gorilla? Option A, forest. Option B, mountain. Option C, tree. And the correct answer is mountain. Question number 3. There are only dash gorillas in the mountain. 50, 500 or 5. And the correct answer is 500. Let's move to activity number 2. Answer the following. What keeps mountain gorillas warm in cold mountains? And the correct answer is they have long hairs which keeps them warm in the cold mountains. In the same way, you need to continue with the remaining questions. And your home play is to complete the activity number 2 and share it with your subject teacher. Thank you.